Hey foodies, today we're diving into the delicious world of moussaka, that iconic, comforting Greek casserole. But have you ever wondered, what kind of dish is typically used to bake this layered masterpiece? Well, for a traditional moussaka, you'll want a sturdy, deep baking dish, often referred to as a casserole dish. Think of something around 9 × 13 inches, and importantly, it needs to be deep enough to hold all those wonderful layers. Its depth is crucial because moussaka isn't just one or two ingredients. It's a magnificent stack of seasoned meat, tender vegetables like eggplant and sometimes potatoes, all crowned with a thick, creamy bechamel sauce. A deep dish keeps everything neatly contained as it bakes to perfection. So the next time you're whipping up a moussaka, reach for that deep casserole dish. It's the unsung hero that ensures every slice is as perfect and comforting as it should be. Subscribe for more amazing facts.